Welcome back to Allison Customs Project Car TV. We're back with another Tool Bag Tuesday. And what I wanted to talk to you about today is some drill bits. Now these are not typically something you're going to use on a car. However, we do use wood in the car or more likely in our shop. We set cabinets, we do any number of projects, whether it's for the house or your shop. So sometimes we just need to join two pieces of wood together. And there are all kinds of methods. You can glue and nail and run screws and combination of all of the above. And what we're going to talk about is putting some screws in. So I'm going to clamp these two pieces together where I think they would need to go. And then typically you go out to your shop, you get a drill bit, something slightly smaller than the screw that you want to put in, and you drill a hole. And then once you get the hole drilled, you need to put a taper in there, get a place for the screw head to go, and then because we're trying to join these two pieces of wood together, we want the threads of the screw to stick into one piece of wood, but you want the screw to easily go through the first part. So you grab another drill bit, slightly larger, and you drill through the first piece of wood. And once you're done with that, you take your screw, you run it in there, and lo and behold, you drilled the hole too big. So your next trick is you go over to your equipment. Instead of using maybe a number 8 screw, you get a number 10 screw and you run it in there. Okay, not that big a deal. The whole job works. The screw is flush and you can move forward. There was a lot of steps and we had to change the screw because we drilled it a little too large. So instead of that idea, what I have for you is, and this is Hickory brand. There are other brands out there. These you get at Home Depot. No sponsors, just something I wanted to share with you. Mostly I used these for, 20 plus years in the construction industry, setting cabinets or working with doors. And I have 3 sets, but all of them, the most common ones you use are the number 5, number 6, and number 7, and those correspond to the screw that you're using. So you run a number 6 screw or number 8 screw or whatever, and all of them, the 6 and 7, the screws are broken, or the drills are broken. But what's nice about these, what's really nice about these particular drill bits is the drill bit is pointed and is tapered for the full length. It also has a countersink built in. So this ring at the bottom here can be loosened up and adjusted to set your countersink depth. So it's a one-step job to do that same process. And because the drill bit is tapered, if you look at a screw, they tend to have at least a little bit of taper in a wood screw, so that you're kind of matching your screw or your drill bit to the screw type you have. And like I said, all the ones I have where you would want to use the number 6, number 7 are broken. That's because I've installed a lot of cabinets using these, but I did have one that's got a number 5, which is a little small for the job we're doing. But we take it, you chuck it up, we drill our hole, countersunk all in one shot. Take our drill and our screw, and in way less than half the time, we've done the same job. The head of the screw is countersunk, it's tapered in. Because the drill bit is tapered, it's making clearance through the first piece of wood, so that you're not actually running the drill or the screw into the first piece of wood. All the threads are in the second part, or they're catching in the second part, squeezing these two pieces of wood together. And that makes for a great strong bond, If you had glue in there, it would set, and then this thing would be one piece of wood forever. I recommend if you're doing a little bit of woodworking, if you're out needing to get something, look for a set of these, whether it's hickory or a different brand. I'll put links in the description. But Woodworker's Tapered Drill Bit sets. The most common ones you're going to use are the 5, 6, and 7. The ones that are broken in my sets. And I probably have never used the number 12. Well, probably any of these, 9, 10, and 12. Still, it's a great set. These type of drill bits make for a lot quicker work if you're trying to join some wood together, whether you're installing cabinets or whether you're putting up shelves in your shop or in the closet or something. So my recommendation this week is some tapered drill bits. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, and we'll see you again next time on Tool Bag Tuesday.